In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sum in Notion. We're going to walk through the simplest way to total values in a Notion database column using the built-in calculation footer. This is perfect for tracking budgets, task estimates, inventory counts, and more. You don't need any formulas for this. It's a quick visual total that lives at the bottom of your table. Start by navigating to the bottom of your database table. If your table is long, just keep scrolling until you reach the very last row. Beneath that last row, here is a slim footer area that spans the table. This is where Notion displays column totals and other quick calculations. Next, move your mouse to the empty space directly below the last row of the specific column you want to sum. You are aiming for the bottom cell of that column's footer. As you hover over that area, a small calculate label will appear. If a calculation has already been set for that column, you might see its name instead of the word calculate. Go ahead and click the calculate button that appears. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Sum. The moment you choose Sum, Notion adds up all the numeric values in that column and shows the result right there in the footer. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. The Sum option appears for columns that contain numbers, such as number, percent, currency, or a formula that returns a number. If you don't see Sum, the column is likely set to a non-numeric type, like text or select, which can't be totaled. Notion automatically ignores empty cells and non-numeric entries when calculating the sum, so your total reflects only valid numbers. The footer also respects the column's number format, including currency symbols and decimal places. Your total updates automatically. Anytime you edit values in that column, adding new rows, changing amounts, or deleting entries, the sum recalculates instantly. It also respects filters in your current view, so the total reflects only the rows that are visible in that view, which is super handy for creating focus summaries by project, timeframe, or status. And remember, each column has its own independent footer, so you can repeat the same action for other columns you want to total. That's all there is to it. Scroll to the bottom of your database table. Hover beneath the column you want to total, click Calculate, and choose Sum. It's fast, accurate, and keeps your key numbers front and center without any extra setup. Thanks for watching.